What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So we haven't been out here for a couple weeks. 2 weeks ago was the last time we were out here. Last week just had stuff going on, haven't had a chance to get out here. I did not even get plugs and wires yet, forgot to order them. But we're thinking there's a timing issue, so Jeremy should be over here in a little bit, and we're gonna try to get back to top dead center and just check everything out with timing and firing order and see if we can't get the old boy fired up tonight. So stick around. Alright, so we spared you. We didn't bother showing you dinking around with the top dead center and getting the wires in what we think is the right order. So now we're ready to bump it, see if we can get this baby to fire up. Keys on. Ready? No fire.
No fire.
You got a key turned the wrong way, I think.
Oh, I do?
You got an accessory.
Oh, there we go.
Farther. It's not on.
No, further.
Alright, I'll edit that out.
It's starting.
You got some exhaust leaks we're going to have to deal with.
I think it might have been coming out of your side cover, your valve cover, because the valve was open
Okay,
when it was misfiring. It probably come out of there. Oops.
when you're ready.
Okay, go ahead. We'll just have to get it running better now.
Woo!
Nice job, man.
Alright, well that was exciting. We took a few minutes and we said we were going to put fuel to it and run it longer, and then we stopped and we were talking and grabbing a beer, and we re-watched the clip that we took of it running, and after watching it we're both like, that ran longer than we thought, so I'm happy with that. We don't want to heat it up. There's no coolant. It's far from being ready to actually run. We accomplished our goal actually a lot quicker than either one of us thought tonight. We wanted it to start and run for a few seconds there, which it did. It was just a matter of getting the wire and the distributor turned the right direction, the rotor. So it was easier. We're both kind of standing here, now what? Because it went quicker than we thought. So we're not going to start it again. We're happy with that. We know it started and ran. So now it's back to assembly. Just starting to put things together, get more of the wiring in, just assembly. Get everything put together. So if that was anticlimactic for you, I'm sorry. We're pretty excited, pretty stoked right now. Even Leo's excited. He come to join the party. But so yeah, we got it fired up. We're happy with tonight. So we might empty a bottle or two, or maybe start bolting more crap on. We'll see. But that was the huge goal for quite a while. It's still February. We didn't hit February 2nd like January 2nd, I think it was.
Oh, yeah.
I set the 1 month goal shooting for February 2nd. We missed that. And then we weren't out here last week, or this would have happened a week earlier. But I don't even know what the date is. 27th? 27th? February 27th? So we're a few weeks late, but to have it running by spring, and it just ran. So